control, so I gotta play my role, man. It's time to be radical, inspirational. I can't worry about them haters and what's really on their mental. I hear them saying no, but Jesus already say yes. Like a game of chess, I'm playing for success. Yeah, like Mr. West without that ego. Man, I'm killing all that pride like it's a sequel of David and Goliath, the devil and the Messiah. This is war, and God is still a fighter. The devil's still a liar. Got you judging my attire when God is more concerned with my heart and his desire. But it's time to get higher, so I'm sitting on my face and I'm praying for his grace.
I'll keep pushing.